foot brake, baby. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Drift Realm. We are driving. You need to get up to speed, all right? We are deep into this adventure to Jackson County Sports Park.
Formerly known as Jackson County Sports Park.
It's now
Affinity Circuit.
Yeah.
We are about to get into Mount Shasta.
There you are. And we're an hour and a half from Medford.
Have you even told them, like, what we're doing this weekend?
You've been... No.
You?
No. We are headed up to the Affinity Circuit Genesis event. It is their first event of the season. There's only like 25 drivers because COVID, so that means seat time. And we've been mobbing up to Oregon, whole squad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Squad.
That's obnoxious.
Yeah. She made it. We're at a racetrack. Oh shit! There's the race. I found it. That's a racetrack right there, man. Oh, look at him.
What the
He's like, what the
There's another one.
Even the squirrel's like, ah! Yeah, we're going down there.
Little trim. Hold on.
I could have probably,
Oh yeah, we're good. If this bumper makes it past 2 solo runs, I'm gonna be stoked. It's gonna come off, like I said, so it's okay. Just kick it. Yeah, there you go.
We made it, guys. We were at the track, and this place is so cool looking. There's a shooting range like right next to where we're at. Look how chill this is, man.
a little bit of camping issues, but you know.
Yeah, we got Tent City set up here. This is beautiful. Let's cut to some nice shit.
What we do here is go back.
Ooh, for the channel.
The content, man. All right, it's the next day. Already went to the driver's meeting. I'm tech, we're good to go. Time to start driving. I'm not gonna vlog a ton in the beginning because I just want to get a feel for the track real quick, and then I'll bring y'all along. Woo! E36 gang. 5 neutrals. Right when I was getting the track down, man. Okay, so the car is not working. It feels like it has 5 neutrals. There's no clutch engagement point. We're thinking it's either the clutch or the guibo. There were some gnarly sounds coming from the rear, but that was probably just from the pop tire. Gonna get under there. Hopefully the guibo is broken because the guibo is just 6 bolts and it's really easy to replace. But this car is so fun to drive. I'm sad, but hopefully I can get it running again. As you can see, things are out. Things have been happening. We've just been, I'm sure I look so grimy right now. We've just been hammering away at this. Big shout out to Brian for helping me, fucking huge help. So this is supposed to be on the transmission, this piece right here.
And that nut in there bolts in.
Yeah, there's a little nut in here.
Basically what happened is my boy came out here for the first time and I was like, all right, go send it. And he's out there like, clutch kick. And then the guibo was like, look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Jack stands. Hood shocks failed again, apparently. I don't know why he did that. Hey, but honestly though, he's ripping out there. This track's awesome.
All right, just got back from the store. Had to buy this long 30 mil to be able to put that piece back into the transmission. And we should be good, man. We should be good. Let's try it out. Okay. Oh my God. All right, to start off with, in order to get this, I had to take the socket I bought, I had to grind it down to where it would actually fit in between the area and tighten the nut back on the back of the transmission. That's done, everything's put back together. So I'm gonna test it out right now and see if we can get the wheels to spin with the power of the motor and the transmission. See if everything works. Let's try this out. Yo! Fucking beat. It works. Thank God. It's time to go slide. Woo! It moves. Oh, I'm gonna go get a lap right after I clean these hands.
Dude, how does it feel?
Dude, I am beat.
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
This guy was working on this thing for a while. I'm honestly super proud of you, man. This track is super fun. This place is awesome, but
it's not very forgiving.
It's not forgiving, and when something breaks, we traveled a long way, you know. We gotta try to fix the car, so.
The fact that I was able to fix it without buying any parts is ridiculous. That it was just a loser.
That's like best case scenario, that nothing broke.
Never happens.
Yeah, that was crazy, dude. That was like, it's funny because on our way up here, I was telling him how my first year that we came here, I didn't drive, but one of our homies blew his trans and they replaced it overnight in the dirt, in the rain, you know? So I was like, this place just has,
Brian,
you know?
right?
No, it was Jason.
Because Brian was like, as soon as I came in, he's like, we could drop your trans right now if we have to. And I was just like, dude, I can love you.
Anyway, he's gonna take me out for a couple of laps, see how the car feels. and let's see how it goes.
Not bad.
How's the car?
Dude, it feels good.
Man, it has been a long time since I've rode passenger. You are flying all over the place, especially in a stock seat belt. I'm like videos all over the place because I
felt
can't.
bad the first lap because I noticed it was like, they're kind of aggressive sometimes. It's just like, boom, and I know your shoulder hurt.
Yeah, my shoulder's all messed up. I'm like trying to figure out how to, but it's good. On the entry, dude, I feel like you should just enter sooner and stay in the throttle because you let off a little bit, you know, don't let off. There it is. There's that foot brake, baby. There it is, baby!
That entry was so much better.
Yes, do not lift.
That's the entry right there.
Whoa!
That's it right there. Dude, hanging it up on the top is so much cooler.
It's so much better. And dude, the clutch kick here, I'm telling you,
Dude.
right here, clutch kick, right when you get to this, clutch kick back, and you just gotta settle your speed after that.
It's so much e-brake, and I feel like if I was a little bit faster, it would be better, but I'm like, I don't know, it's just the gear seems just too short to get me to, I want a little more push, so the e-brake doesn't feel like I'm slowing down too much.
Yeah.
But, nah, dude,